Wow, YouTube. This is Pinks for Pinks. Okay? Mr. Mom's Racing. Whoever wins this race takes this car, this fire truck, the $2. Let me show you what we got up for racing here.
Oh, you put me in the slow lane.
The very legendary, you've all heard Ghost Jerk. What's that? Okay, sorry. Y'all heard Ghost Jerker talk about how legendary fast this is. Let me tell you, it is fast. But we got a JL, Johnny Lightning, Corvette, which is unreal, stupid, crazy fast. Here we go. Da 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 da. You ready?
Oh, yeah.
I'm ready to interrupt, dropper. Whoa! I was in the fast lane. I was in the fast lane. That was only by a Sierra. This is going to be the race of the night. Wow! Woo! That is one fast JL, dude. I'm just saying. There's no pausing in this video. That is unreal. Wow. That Johnny should smoke me, yeah. Oh boy. Let her rip. Oh! No, I won! My hair! I'm glad that was not a video, Joe.
What the hell?
Woo! Look at you go! You party little thank you. Thank you, Ghost Jerker.
What the hell? That don't make any sense.
Joe's not happy right now. You are awesome, Ghost Jerker. Oh.